Okay, now discussing the overall reason behind the greening, the deetylation, the etylation. So the main process behind the plant response lab. So as you can see, there's giant shoots coming from the farthest pole of the potato, and I mainly think that it was produced that way is because the potato thought that this was the closest region on it to getting the light. Because I think because I put the potato on a specific way, the minerals that are induced into the potato fell into a specific way, so the potato thought that this must have been where the sunlight is, which was, it knows between vertical, horizontal, so it must have thought that this was the perfect way, this vertical way of getting the light, because of the way I put it in the box it was in. And as we can see through the pictures, just the main weeks of it being in darkness, it was pretty much, what's it called? It was pretty much brown. The shoots were just brown. There was no major color until we opened the container and put it in some light and let it kind of like get that greening. We can see that it was just mainly pale, and we saw that the main process behind this was that the main opening of the phytochrome channels and the CGMP and the cyclic calcium channels were now opened, which allowed the greening to occur and the phosphorylation to occur, which allowed the chlorophyll greening, as you can see. But I'm still kind of confused beyond the purple. I think the purple was caused, as you can see, like there's little purple sprouts. Let me get a little closer. Little top. There's purple sprouts kind of on the bottom and on the top, and I believe that's because it thinks it's in soil, but it's not getting the nutrients as from like the phosphorus from the soil. And based on chapter 21, I saw that without soil there is a slight purplish occurrence going on because the minerals are not produced to create that. So that's my basic what's it called? My basic interpretation behind that problem. And there are little spores created behind each little part, and I think that's because while it was in the box, it's just the constant change of like when I had to pick up the box and it moved. I think that's that's the reason why. And it's just the main process was just that it was the minerals fell beyond a vertical point, and that's why there's these creation of these stems. But beyond that, I think it was a pretty fun lab to see the changes in my potato. Okay, thank you.